In this segment, we will learn 10 words, their meanings, and their usage in three separate sentences. These words are accommodate, perseverance, nostalgia, resilience, sophisticated, vigilant, harmonious, melancholy, enthralling, and last, serendipity. First word, accommodate. Accommodate means to provide someone with a place to stay or live. आवास देना या समायोजित करना. The hotel will accommodate our needs for the night. She tired to accommodate her schedule to meet the deadline. The company will accommodate new employees with training. Second word, perseverance means continuing to try hard despite difficulties, means दृढ़ता या धैर्य. Perseverance is key to achieving success. Her perseverance in the face of challenges inspired others. He demonstrated remarkable perseverance in his studies. Next, nostalgia means a sentimental longing for the past. Watching old movies fills me with nostalgia. The smell of freshly baked cookies evokes nostalgia. Nostalgia for childhood memories is common. Next, resilience. The ability to withstand or recover quickly from difficult condition. Sahansilta. Resilience is crucial for overcoming adversity. She demonstrated remarkable resilience in the face of trauma. Building resilience helps in coping with stress. Sophisticated means complex or cultured, परिष्कृत या जटिल. The sophisticated design impress everyone. He has a sophisticated understanding of art. The restaurant's sophisticated ambience attracted many. Next, vigilant means watchful and attentive. चौकस या सावधान. The vigilant security guard prevented the incident. She remained vigilant throughout the night. Being vigilant helps in identifying potential threats. Harmonious means pleasingly consistent or compatible. सामंजस्यपूर्ण या मधुर. The harmonious music created a peaceful atmosphere. The team's harmonious collaborations led to success. A harmonious relationship is built on mutual respect. Next, melancholy means a feeling of pensive sadness. Udasi ya visad. The melancholy music reflected her mood. He felt melancholy after the loss. The rainy day added to her melancholy. Next, enthralling means captivating or spellbinding, आकर्षक या मोहित करने वाला. The enthralling performance held the audience attention. The book's enthralling plot kept me engaged. The enthralling view from the top was breathtaking. Serendipity means the occurrence of event by chance in a happy or beneficial way. संयोग या भाग्य. Meeting old friends by chance is a delightful serendipity. Discovering the hidden cafe was pure serendipity. Serendipity played a role in finding the perfect gift. Dear learner, we have learned 10 new words to increase our vocabulary. If you like the video, press the like button, share the video, and if you are new on my channel, then subscribe the channel. Thank you.